You have to understand that nowadays you will get notice on email only. So whenever you got notice on email, you have to be respond within time prescribed on that notice. And if you ignore the same, then it is considered as a procedural lapses. So if you missed an email, then there are some huge cost on you. But it is very important to understand that any kind of penalize on ignoring, before that they have to be give you at least reasonable opportunity of being heard. Why the reason of delayed? If it is a bona fide, you have to be safe from that. And they are also consider some important aspect as well. So what happened in this case, person is actually involving in a charitable activity. They are already registration, provisional registration they have. Now they can apply for regular registration. And then during that process, department asked for some additional document, and he missed that timeline, and he missed that email. So now department said that there are procedural lapses and they can cancel their registration. So now they can again apply for registration. Then department said that your case is already non maintainable and you are not eligible for that registration, so you are not eligible for 11 and 12 exemption. So it is very important to understand that they are already involving in activities, they are already taken benefit of this section in past years and comply all the things, because they just they miss that email which is a bona fide. So they have at least reasonable opportunity of being heard, and they have a natural justice as well. So they can apply for ITET and they prove their point of view were there. Then ITET send matter back to the CIT, and they said that you can not consider only on the point of they can miss an email which is just a procedural lapses. You can check that their charitable activity, based on that they can get a exemption under section 11 and 12, for at least given a reasonable opportunity of being heard.